Alright, so we have a boat recovery coming up, and this is it right here. Hurricane Ida. Decided to put this right beside the bridge. It drug anchor. The guy was a first-time boater. He didn't really know how to anchor the boat correctly, and actually only had one anchor line on it, so of course it drug. We had some pretty good gusts of wind in there. Wasn't quite as bad as Zeta, but it was an all-day thing, and we had a lot higher water down here at the bridge and stuff. So actually it's not too bad a shape. The keel got a little bit of damage from a previous damage, so I'll have to really inspect that once I get inside. But it already had some damage right there before. So, but the rest of it, it's weird. It didn't even, it's almost like their repair is what cracked, not anything else. I don't see any other push in on the hull. It's pretty much like looks normal except for the very front, and it does look like it was some sort of a patch job. The rudder didn't get damaged. There's not really any major stuff on the boat itself, so I was pretty surprised. Even on the other side, there's no hole that you can see. There was a little bit of water in the boat, but we're going to clean up where the electronics was. I think that was where it just got a storm surge because it was stuck on the rocks and had no place to go, so the water kind of just streamed in there. So getting all that out today, kind of getting an assessment. I'm going to try to get down to the floor. The lead keel got gouged up pretty good, sitting in the rocks, but I just ended up ferrying that out and sealing it and repainting it. But my concern is that one spot right there, and shockingly, there's no holes. Got a little bit of damage right there, some scratching, probably when it first got up in here. But even on the other side where it's laying on the rocks, there's no marks. How I managed to do that and just barely missed the bridge and the rudder stayed intact is beyond me, especially where it's at. So we'll back up and give you a little bit better of a view. Yeah. So we got a game plan of getting it out of here. We got an excavator and a loader. And we get in here, we're gonna make a little bit of a ramp, clear out some of the jagged rocks in there, get some of the old jagged rebar cut and removed, and get it ready to go. So I did break one of the spreader bars up top, but we'll get that taken care of once we get this thing closer to going in. So let's get inside and get some water out of it and give you an idea what it looks like inside. Alright, from a side being on the side, it did get some water. As you can see the little stains right there, that's where it was. I'm down to right there, a little bit in the back side. We got to pull the batteries out. Someone has already managed to break the freaking companionway glass and break into the boat. And within a day's time of me being here, clearing stuff out. So I'm going to pretty much pull out some of the covers right now, get some stuff, the rest of the cushions out of here, and just make sure there's nothing left in here since we've already got people breaking in. So we'll do the best we can on getting this prepped and ready to be put back in the water. It wasn't in bad shape until it ended up sideways on a rocky embankment. Got the little Yanmar hiding up in there, the little 2GM, and had a microwave, little stove on top. So back to grabbing some more of the covers and little cushions and getting them out of here.